Alright, let's go over kernel debugging so I remember how to do this in a couple months. So, the first thing you need to make sure you've done is that you've run this PowerShell command. Set VM COM port. This is your VM name. This is the number, and then this is the path. That's obviously a symbolic object path. And then before you do anything else, you're going to make sure you start your WinDebug as an admin. And then go to File and Kernel Debug. And you're going to want to go to COM and then check pipe and reconnect, and then for port you're going to want that path. So now see, this is waiting to reconnect. It's important that that's done before you start your virtual machine. Now, to be fair, last time this was on, I blue screened, so I don't know how well it's going to load, but you should see over here it'll start to connect. There we go, as this is loading. And now we're just waiting for it to load up. Alright, now it's important that if you want to share code or compiled files or whatever between the two, you need to click on Show Options here, and then Local Resources, click on More, Drives, and then wherever you have your code. Okay, so we are in our VM, and we have this session. So what we're going to want to do now is called breaking into the kernel. We're going to give it an interrupt command, int3. Sorry, it wasn't responding there. Go to debug and click break. And you're actually pausing this whole system, so this will cease to respond. And this is, like it says, it's not a system crash. You are giving an interrupt instruction. You're taking control over the flow. So then you can issue a command. So for example, I have a driver that I'm trying to debug. So we are going to set a break in our system. So we'll go and then we'll just hook driver entry. We'll make sure we do indeed have that. There we go. And now if we allow this to run again, if we start priority booster, you'll see we've hit the breakpoint, and woo, we can see the code, and we can set extra breakpoints or whatnot here, and then when we're done, we will just resume it, and you can see the system is running again. So that is how you start it up, set the COM port, share resources between the two drives, and set breakpoints.